around the entire ride.
Supposed to hold on to what we
Hello, Great Ohio Coaster Club members, friends, and fans. Billy and Mary Jo are coming at you live. Well, not live. This will be recorded, but we're alive.
Yeah, we're alive.
For now. We're at Cedar Point for Media Day. We're getting our on-ride video on Steel Vengeance. Hope you enjoy it as much as we do. We'll be screaming a lot for you. And here we go.
Woo. We're riding chest, by the way.
Yes, we're on chest.
And yes to the wildest ride in the world.
And here we go. It's a very frigid day in Sandusky. Wind is about 15 to 20 miles per hour. It's only about 50 degrees, but it feels like it's about 40 degrees.
Woo, yeah, let's go. Right.
Here we go.
Woo.
Thank you, Cedar Point, for inviting Great Ohio Coaster Club today. You guys are the best. It's a little cold out here.
I guess my seatbelt's probably going to be stuck, so I have to do it again. Woo! Awesome! Great ride.
Wow. As soon as your train comes to a complete and final stop at the station, you may push on the orange fill-out part, unbuckle your seatbelt, and please don't forget to take your loose articles out of that pouch. You can exit out the exit.